You ready to see the animals, Eloise? It's our first family outing to Longdown Dairy Farm. Oh. Look, Eloise, chickens.
You're like, I'm just tired. Please let me sleep.
You're looking at Daddy. You got to look at the cow. Look. Oh, the cow's gone away.
She's got a baby cow as well. It's baby guinea pigs. They're tiny.
You're right here. Alright, come look at that. You go away.
She's happy.
Oh no,
What is it? She's just interested in these ones. They're so cute.
One day you get to eat that.
She doesn't really know what to make of it. Just keep watching Daddy.
You mind for some of the camera?
They're going to sleep, those ones. I hope. Go and sleep.
Maybe they're tired.
Hopefully.
Oh yeah. That one there. It's probably like, this is better than the park.
Yeah. More birdies.
More birds in the park.
Look at the chickens.
Hello, chicken.
That's where the eggs come from.
Yeah.
This morning.
You eat eggs, don't you?
Yeah. I didn't actually press record. Oh no. They can stick your hand.
You got my thumb.
Did he? No.
You're not recording?
Yeah, but I was pointing at you and her, not the duck. Once.
Stay back. At least that was my thumb, not hers.
Yeah. Say hello.
Hello, duckies.
got eaten by a duck.
Got my thumb nibble. Stay clear.
They probably think it's feeding time. I didn't know there was holes in there. Didn't know there were holes. She just wants to look at you.
Here comes the alpacas.
Make sure Daddy's hand didn't get bitten off. Yeah, nearly got bitten off by a duck.
The alpacas bite.
Yeah. Probably not. You can feed them.
They're packed in, aren't they? 4 of them and a little area.
Did you know alpacas only poo in one place?
Right.
That's why they're all pooing and weeing on top of each other. Why am I filming this?
What's happening down there, Eloise? What you do?
Oh wow, one just sneezed. Oh, that's so cute and tiny. They're only a month old. Yeah, they're born on the 2nd of April. They're younger than you, Eloise.
Look, they can walk.
Yeah.
You've been on the planet 7 months.
Can't do any of that.
And they've only been here a month and they can walk. These are the dangerous ducks. Looking at the rabbits. You want the camera?
She wants her daddy.
Oh,
Hey, daddy's go.
just really looking at the rabbits. She's got a rabbit for a teddy, isn't she? Huge. What's your favourite animal so far?
Chickens.
The donkeys are almost the same age as me. This donkey's got the right idea. It's a lazy ass.
She's
Go see
like,
the pigs.
yeah, let's go see pigs. Piggies.
Does she try pork?
No. They're smelly. Do you see piggies?
What are those piggies doing?
It's a bit much.
All this video is going to be her just looking shocked at all the animals. Are you enjoying the animals?
Yeah. You just want Mummy and Daddy to release you, don't you?
Yeah.
It's raining now.
It's like, can I go back in my comfy chair now?
They're so fluffy.
Hello.
Eloise.
Yeah.
She's like,
Yeah.
what is that? Ah. Soft. Yeah.
Alright, if I take the fat now, guys.
You can't touch it.
Yeah, what is it?
Come this way then and we can hold them.
It's a guinea pig. We might get guinea pigs one day.
Have you guys moved it? Look at the sunshine.
Is it good?
And you like, where's my feed time?
First you were looking at all the animals.
She's like, no more, Mum. No more. No, not having any of it. The moment's passed. So Daddy can't always get everything on camera. See, the moment's passed, Daddy.
You were enjoying that.
Hey, I want the camera.
You want the loop. Say hello. Say, I am 7 months old today. Oh. You're getting tired. You're just getting sleepy.
Is she?
Little, wow. I'll wake her up with my voice. You excited to feed the goats? Yeah. They're gonna have milk like you.
Look, excited.
It's exciting. This milk's not for you though. The milk's for the goats.
You want the milk?
No, you can't have this milk.
Glad we fed her first. Because she probably...
This isn't for you. Just teasing you with the milk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then put them right up in the air.
Right.
Brilliant.
Look, Eloise.
Are they?
Festy.
You more interested in me?
Yeah. She was more interested in the milk.
I really am.
When she saw the bottle, yeah.
Look, there's a goat. Perfect. Okay, that's it. So bottom straight to the yellow bucket and then give your hands really good wash. Take that away to the goats. Thank you very much.
Hi goats. Thank you. Are we done at Longdown Dairy Farm?
Yep.
Do you have fun?
Yeah. Did
That was
Eloise
good,
have fun?
Do you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was Longdown Dairy Farm, and this was Eloise's 7-month kind of birthday. I think she enjoyed the visit, and we'll definitely be coming back. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more from us, please subscribe to the channel.